Okay, so while that soaks, we're going to mix the potash with the rubbing alcohol. So I'm just going to tear the scale with the shot here. Throw in some potash. That's 0.7, a little more than I wanted, but whatever. I actually know how much it takes here, so I'm just going to eye it. That's about 10 mil. 10 grams, probably about the same. So the trick to mixing it is you got to sort of bubble it while you're, so I use this dropper, and so I'm sort of mixing it around by squeezing bubbles into there. Actually, the air is what makes it dissolve for some reason. Potash likes to have air in the liquid. If you just stir it, it takes a lot longer. So anyway, I'm stirring it and bubbling it. And then I'll leave that for a little while. Let it do its thing. Now I'm going to take the alcohol that's been soaking in the samples, and I'm going to drip a little bit onto this paper, which I've folded up into 8 sections. So number 1 right here. And actually, so what helps a lot is using these Q-tips. So it'd be nice if I didn't get bud on it first. But you can make little filters out of these Q-tips. So I'm going to cut 4 at a time here. So now put it. So I'm already losing track of these. Put the little Q-tip head at the top, and then you take this dropper, make sure there's nothing still in it, squeeze it down, and this filter effect sort of happens. Now you can suck up a little, suck up just about 0.1 mil, so this end here is 0.1 centimeter. Just drop that in the bowl. I'm going to drip it here. So I made sort of like a circle or a square, just something that keeps it all in one place. That's one. Now I have this rinse jar, and I'm going to suck up a little bit from there, squeeze it out to the side here, just on the floor, it doesn't matter. And that rinsed it out, a couple good rinses. Now I'm going to go to number 2. Put the little Q-tip on there. Push it down. Get 0.1 mil. And then I drip some on there from the rubbing alcohol. But anyway, so there's the second one. We'll skip further ahead so you don't have to watch me do all of that. Okay, now we've dripped all the samples onto the paper, and this is actually just printer paper. I try to use thicker paper, usually like cardstock. It's just good printer paper. It's thick, but this is just real thin. This probably won't make a huge difference. So now we've got the potash been dissolved here. It hasn't fully dissolved, but close enough. So keep it mixed while you're doing it. Sometimes you get a separation because I think the water in the rubbing alcohol. So just pull up a little bit at a time, a few mil at a time. Now I'm going to drip 3 drops into the spot that I made earlier. Try to keep them separate. Just, I don't know, it doesn't really matter, just, it's not really exact, but just for the sake of consistency, try to let 3 drops fall out same place. Main thing is to keep them from spilling over into the outside of the place where the sample is. So good enough. So keep it flat, you know, try to keep them from running over the place. They'll dry pretty fast. We'll come back in about 5 or 10 minutes. Do the second one with the proper paper. It's like a thicker cardstock. And I think it's better. So the upper left does Gorilla Glue, and so you see it's like there's nothing in terms of there's no real purple. It's all sort of yellow. There's like maybe some, you know, I don't know, anything that's dark, it's just darker yellow. The you see right there, this is also, I know it's a regular strain with no CBD, and that's pretty much just all yellow. You see the darker edge is just darker yellow, really. Now this one, 3, that's the one with the highest CBD of all these. It's about 15%. So you can see from a distance, it's pretty obvious. Up close, it has purple in it. This one does too, but this is, I'm pretty sure, more like a 6%. It's got that weird sort of dark yellow on the left, but that's I don't know, that one's, some of them have that, like this one, let's see, 5, I know that has about 12% THC. That one's sort of smeared, but you can see the purple in it. 6 has some purple. 7, pretty faint if it has any. It's like some little spots of purple. But 8 and 1, there's like no trace of purple. And those I know are just regular THC, so not super exact, but you know, that if that's all you needed to know, then that saved a couple $100 right there.